My name is Alan Krusch. I'm a partner with the law firm of Krusch and Sellers. We practice in the South Park area in Charlotte. We are a boutique family law firm. We do the whole gamut of family law practice, including equitable distribution, alimony, child support, child custody, anything you can think of that deals with family law.
If you're facing a separation or a divorce, we know that you're overwhelmed. Our job is to try to help you make sense of it to the best of our abilities and to break it down and get the results that you need for your particular situation. No two cases are alike, no two families are alike. So there's not going to be a set stock answer. So before you come in, it helps if you understand what your questions are, make a list, understand your priorities, and you're going to get better information and better guidance from us.